Okay, let's do an example together. Okay, we're going to solve 5x plus 1 equals 16. Okay, rectangles are x's. So we have 5 x's plus 1, yellow, on the left, balancing with 16. Okay, the big idea, we first want to get all of the rectangles alone. Okay, we want to get all of the x's alone by adding or subtracting something to both sides of the balance. Okay, then we want to split things up equally. Okay, so let's just work through this example together. We have 5x plus 1 equals 16. Okay, so my first goal, I want to get these rectangles x's. I want to get these x's alone. And I'll be honest with you, there's always going to be kind of a hint until you get really good at this, because see the subtraction symbol for row 1? That tells you you're going to take away something. Okay, so let's take away something from both sides so that all of the x's are alone. Okay, we can take a yellow square away from the left. Okay, so that would get the x's alone, but we need to keep it balanced, so we need to take a yellow square away from the right. Okay, whatever we do to one side, we got to do it to the other. Okay, let's record our step. Okay, we took away 1 from the left. We took away 1 from the right. Okay, so that's row 1. Okay, row 2. Look what you got. Okay, look what you got. Look back at your picture. We are left with 5 rectangles on the left and 15 squares on the right. Okay, so we're left with 5x on the left and 15 on the right. 5x equals 15. Okay, so we did the first goal. We got the rectangles alone. Okay, now we want to split things up equally. Okay, we think about trick-or-treating. These are trick-or-treaters, trick-or-treat bags on the left. And there are 15 candies on the right. Okay, it wouldn't be fair for one trick-or-treater to get more than the other trick-or-treater. We want to split these up. And I don't care how you really do this. I'm just trying to separate them. Trying to separate my rectangles, my x's, and I want to split these up. Okay, 1 for you, a chocolate for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. Now remember, these are not there anymore. I should have put those down further. Okay, 1 for you, 1 for you. Just dragging these so that every trick-or-treater gets the same amount of candy. 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. Okay, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. Okay, so we split both sides up equally. Okay, first thing to think about, how many groups did we split both sides up into? Okay, 5, right? We split both sides up into 5 groups because there were 5 trick-or-treat bags. So I'm going to put a 5 underneath the 5x and a 5 underneath the 15 to show that I'm dividing each side up by 5. Okay, your final answer is just whatever each x equals. Okay, what does each trick-or-treater get? Okay, they get 3, right? So each x equals 3. Okay, so my solution to this equation is x equals 3. Okay, you'll get better at these as you keep doing them. I want to check my answer. I'm going to go back to the original problem. I had 5x plus 1 equals 16. I'm going to put 3 in for x. So now I have 5 times 3 plus 1 equals 16. Okay, just evaluate the left. 5 times 3 is 15. So I'm going to type in 15 plus 1. So I have 15 plus 1 equals 16. need to make sure this is true. So I'm going to add 15 plus 1 together. 15 plus 1 added together is 16. So I get 16 does equal 16. So I'm just proving to myself that my answer was correct. Okay? Do your best on these. There will be an audio button on your Google Slides that goes along with this, and you can always get hints. But please try to get these on your own first. But the big idea, get all of your rectangles, X's together first. We did that by taking away 1 from each side. And then we divided each side up equally into 5 groups. And then we ended up with each X is equal to 3. Okay, please keep me posted on what I can do to help you.